Let me show you something kind of insane. A few years ago, if you wanted a website like this, smooth scroll effects, and that clean, premium look, you were probably paying a designer and developer anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000. Today, you can build something that feels like that in under an hour. The core idea is simple. Stop asking Claude to invent everything and start giving it better ingredients. Instead of describing every section in words, feed Claude real components, real references, and real assets that actually look good. That's where the quality jump happens. So let's get into it. So before building a website, I would open ChatGPT and say something like this. Give me a prompt that I can give to Claude Code to build the complete website. Now ChatGPT can write a proper Claude Code prompt. So I can copy that prompt, open Claude Code, paste it and run it. Claude Code may ask for permission while creating or editing files, so I approve the changes and let it build the project. After a few minutes, Claude generates the website and gives me a local preview link. Then I can open the website in the browser and check the results. You usually don't get the perfect result in one prompt, so I can go back to ChatGPT and say, fix the prompt. Then ChatGPT rewrites that into a cleaner Claude Code prompt. I copy the new prompt, paste it into Claude Code, and let Claude update the website. Then I open the preview again and check the result. And this time the website feels much better. The whole page starts feeling more like a finished cinematic website instead of a rough AI demo. Once the full website feels finished, the last step is moving it into WordPress. So now I'd go back to ChatGPT one more time and ask for a prompt that tells Claude Code to convert the completed front end into a WordPress theme structure. Copy that prompt, run it inside Claude Code, and let it build the theme files. Then go into the project folder, find the theme folder, in this case, the distiller-theme folder. Compress that into a zip file. After that, open your WordPress dashboard. Go to the left sidebar, open Appearance, click Themes, click Add Theme, then click Upload Theme. Choose the zip file, install it, activate it, and preview the site. And now the project is no longer just a Claude demo sitting in your editor. It's a real WordPress theme you can actually use. So that's all for this video. If you've any questions, then comment below and I'll catch you in the next one.